First question. Identify the scientific name of sea pain that belongs to phylum Nidaria. Option number C. Pennatula is the right answer. Question number 2. What is the scientific name of the banyan tree, a large evergreen tree of Asia characterized by its trunk-like aerial roots? Option number A. Ficus bengalensis. Question number 3. What is the common term for Ancylostomata? Option number D. Hookworm is the right answer. Question number 4. Solanum lycopersicum L is the scientific name of which of the following highly consumed vegetables? Option number B is the right answer, tomato. Question number 5. Which food is a good source of complete protein? Option number A, eggs. Question number 6. Which is the most important protein component in milk, both quantitatively and nutritionally, that accounts for about 80% of the total protein in bovine milk? Option number D, casein. 7. Which of the following is another name for vitamin C? Number D, ascorbic acid. Question number 8. Which essential amino acid enhances calcium absorption and also plays an important role in the formation of collagen? Option number C, lysine. Question number 9. Which vitamin is involved in red blood cell formation, neurological function, and DNA synthesis? Number D, vitamin B12. 10. Which essential micronutrients plays a clear role in the synthesis, storage, and secretion of insulin in the hexameric form as well as in the conformational integrity of insulin? Number A is the right answer, zinc. 11. Which of the following was the first B vitamin discovered in 1897 that is essential in amino acid and carbohydrate metabolism and is active in energy production reaction? Option number A, thiamine. 12. What is the most important health benefit of vitamin D? Option number A, strengthening of bones and muscles. 13. The food component present in sugar is? Option number C, carbohydrates. 14. Milk, seafood, nuts, and whole grains contain high amounts of which mineral that supports bone health and our body's repair process? Option number C, phosphorus. 15. What is the monomer unit of glycogen? Option number B, glucose. 16. Which of the following vitamins helps to keep our skin and eyes healthy? Option number A, vitamin A. 17. Which among the following vitamin influences iron absorption? Option number C, vitamin C. 18. Which of the following vitamins helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth? Option number B, vitamin D. 19. Which among the following vitamins is known as niacin? Option number D, vitamin B3. 20. Nuts, vegetable oil, and fish are rich sources of? Option number A, omega 3. 21. Which is a major essential lipophilic vitamin required for the protection of cell membranes and the formation of red blood cells? Option number D, vitamin E. 22. When the breakdown of food glucose occurs without the use of oxygen, it is called? Without the use of oxygen, it is called, option number D, anaerobic respiration. 23. Which of the following causes enlargement and extension growth of cells? Option number D, turgor pressure. 24. Which protein is found in grains? Option number A, gluten. 25. What is provitamin A or the anti-cancer compound present in carrots called? Option number A, beta carotene. 26. Garlic is a good source of. Option number D, manganese and selenium. 27. Which of the following nutrients is available mainly in apples? Option number C, K, potassium. 28. The leaves have a green pigment called dash, which helps leaves to capture the energy from the sunlight. Number B, chlorophyll. 29. Which plant tissue is responsible for the transportation of water and minerals from the soil to the stems and leaves? Option number A, xylem. 30. Water comes out the leaves in the form of vapor by a process called. Option number D, transpiration. 31. The broad green part of the leaf is called. Option number A, lamina. 32. Which nutrient is chlorella rich in? Option number D, protein. 33. Iron, iodine and zinc can be considered as which of the following? Option number B, micronutrients. 34. Which of the following plant hormones regulates growth, particularly by stimulating cell elongation in stems? Option number A, auxin. 35. Which condition, also known as icterus, causes a yellowing of your skin and the whites of your eyes? Option number B, jaundice. 36. What are the 5 FAs of indirect transmission? Option number A, flies, fingers, fomites, food and fluid. 37. Which of the following plants is used to cure cold and cough? Option number A, tulsi. 38. Which set of diseases are caused by bacteria? Option number B, typhoid, cholera, tuberculosis. 39. Which is a serious contagious bacterial infection that usually affects the mucous membranes of the nose and throat? Option number B, diphtheria. 40. Which of the following is not a mutation based disease? Option number A, malaria is not a mutation based disease. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, you can download PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Alright, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.